So guys, a lady is threatening me that she will release a video of me. I've done everything to beg her. I've done everything to stop her from releasing the video, but she wants me to pay. I'm not ready to pay, so she will release the video any moment from now. I'm heartbroken, but so please, I'm coming out before you see the video. In case you see it, you will have to forgive me, please. She has a video of me when I was eating amala begiri at Ewedu.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.